Chapter 3. More on Adobe Animate CC.
Hi Shweta, today we will continue with Adobe Animate.
Oh, that means we are about to reach my favorite part of the program, Techie.
Your favorite part? What is your favorite part in it?
The part where I finally learned to animate. I was eagerly waiting for it.
Oh, now I understand why you seem so excited today. Let's learn about animation in detail.
Layers. A layer refers to the various levels on which our drawings, animations, and objects are placed. Layers are transparent sheets arranged one on top of another, in which each layer contains some graphics and effects. Adobe Animate provides us with various layers. Some of them are discussed here. First, normal layer. All the objects placed on the normal layer appear in the movie. Most of the artwork contained in an Adobe Animate file is created on the normal layer. Guide layer. The objects placed on the guide layer do not appear in the movie, as this layer is used for making reference points and alignment purposes. Third, mask layer. A mask layer hides the layers linked to it. It contains objects that are used as masks to hide a selected portion of layers below them. Creating a layer. When we create a new layer, it appears above the selected layer and becomes the active layer. To create a new layer, click on the New Layer button. By default, the name of the first layer is set as Layer 1. Or you can also create a new layer by clicking on Insert tab, Timeline option, New Layer. Renaming a layer. To rename a layer, double-click on the layer's name and type a new name and press the Enter key. Hiding or showing a layer. Animate gives us the facility of hiding or showing layers. To hide a layer, click on eye icon above the layers. To show a hidden layer, click again on the eye icon corresponding to the layer you want to show. Locking a layer. Animate allows us to lock the layer that avoids us from accidentally moving or deleting elements of the layer. To lock a layer, select the layer and click on the bullet symbol next to the layer name. You can also unlock a layer by clicking on the padlock icon next to the layer name. Deleting a layer. To delete an extra or unused layer, select the layer you want to delete and click on the Delete Layer icon. To restore an accidentally deleted layer, click on the Undo Delete Layer option in the Edit menu. Mask layer. A mask works like a stencil or paper cutout from where we can see what is behind it through the holes. Adding a mask layer. A mask layer is a type of layer which is used to show or hide a portion of our layer. To add a mask layer, follow the given steps. First, select the layer to insert a mask to it. Second, click on the New Layer button. Third, click on Mask option. Drawing a mask. To draw a mask, follow the given steps. First, unlock the mask layer to add the text. Second, click in the text box and type the desired text on the mask. Third, click on Lock icon to lock the mask layer. Symbol and instance. A symbol is an object in Adobe Animate. It can be a graphic, a button, or a movie clip that can be created and stored in the library. A symbol once created and stored in the library can be reused. When we drag a symbol from the library to the stage, we create an instance. An instance can be different from the parent symbol in color, size, and function. Creating a symbol. To create a symbol, follow the given steps. First, create an object on the stage. Second, select the object by using the selection tool. Third, right-click on the selected object and select Convert to Symbol option. Fourth, type the name of your symbol. Fifth, select Graphic by clicking on the Type drop-down arrow. Sixth, click OK button. Inserting an instance. An instance is a copy of the original symbol. To insert an instance, follow the given steps. First, select the layer where you want to insert the instance. Second, click on the Library tab. Third, select the symbol name. Fourth, click and drag the symbol to the stage. Frames and keyframes. To organize and control the content of our document, we work with frames in the timeline. Frames in the timeline are placed in the same order that we want the objects in the frame to appear in the movie at the end. A keyframe is a frame that carries the animation on it. It is used for critical points in the timeline where our content changes. It includes the code that controls the animation. The black circle indicates the keyframe on the timeline. Inserting frame or keyframe in the timeline. To insert a new frame, follow the given steps. First, click on the frame or keyframe on the timeline where you want to insert a new frame. Second, click on Insert tab. Third, select Timeline option. Fourth, select Frame or Keyframe option. You can also remove a frame or keyframe by clicking over the frames you want to remove and select the Remove Frames option from the sub-menu. Creating an animation. Animation is a sequence of images in a rapid manner that creates the illusion of movement. We can create an animation by changing the content of the successive frames. We can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease its size, rotate, change color, fade in or out, or transform into different shapes. There are two types of animation: frame-by-frame animation and animation with tween. Frame-by-frame animation. The most basic form of animation is frame-by-frame animation. Under this type of animation, we need to create the object for each frame to produce an animation. To create a frame-by-frame animation, follow the given steps. First, select the Text tool. Second, select the Font in Properties tab and Color in the Color tab. Third, click on the second frame on the timeline window. Fourth, click on Insert tab. Fifth, select Timeline option. Sixth, select Keyframe option. Seventh, type first letter of a word in the text box you want. Here we are typing A. Eighth, similarly, keep on adding keyframes for each letter. Ninth, click on the first keyframe in the layer and press the Enter key to play the movie. You can also play an animation by selecting the Play option from the Control menu. Since a unique drawing is required in each frame, it becomes too time-consuming, and creating a movie through this procedure takes a lot of storage space. Animation with tween. The movement of an object in between the frames is called tween. Adobe Animate provides various types of tweens. Motion tween. Motion tween refers to the movement of an object or a symbol from one place to another. It can be implemented only on symbols. Therefore, any object on which we would want to implement motion tween should first be converted to a symbol. To implement motion tween on an object, specify the first keyframe and the last keyframe only. Rest frames will be filled automatically by the Adobe Animate. To create a motion tween, follow the given steps. First, select the first frame and draw a circle with the help of the oval tool. Second, fill the circle with red color using the Paint Bucket tool. Third, select the object and right-click on it. Fourth, click on Convert to Symbol. A dialog box will appear. Fifth, type a name for the symbol in the name box. Sixth, select Graphic from the Type drop-down box. Seventh, click OK button. Eighth, the current location of your symbol is frame 1 of layer 1. Now select frame 25. Ninth, click on Insert tab. 10th, click on Timeline option. 11th, click on Keyframe or press the F6 key. 12th, move your symbol to any other position on the stage. This will be the final position of the symbol. 13. Click any frame between 2 to 19 from the timeline and click on the Control menu and select the Play option to play the movie. 14th, right-click on the object and select the Create Motion Tween option from the list. Shape Tween. By Shape Tween, we can create an effect similar to morphing, that is, making it appear as if one shape is transforming into another shape over time. In Shape Tween, we can also tween the location, size, and color of shapes. To create a Shape Tween animation, follow the steps given. First, select the first frame in which you want to start a shape tween. Second, draw the object you want to animate in frame 1. Third, right-click on frame 30. Fourth, click on Insert Blank Keyframe. Fifth, draw the shape into which you want your image to change. Sixth, click on Create Shape Tween option. Seventh, right-click between the two frames that make up your shape tween to select the frame. Eighth, click on the Properties tab. Ninth, enter the classic ease value of 100. 10th, click on the drop-down menu of the Blend option and select Angular from the list. 11th, to see the shape tween, click on frame 1 and press the Enter key. Create animation with motion tween. A motion tween is only created when the object has been converted to a symbol. Let's use motion tween to make an airplane fly in the sky. For this, we need to download a picture of a sky and an airplane for the background. To create animation using motion tween, follow the given steps. First, select a keyframe where you want to start the motion tween. Second, click on the File menu. Third, select the Import option. Fourth, select the Import to Library option. Fifth, click and drag the image of the sky to set it as the background from the library. Sixth, now click and drag the picture of the aeroplane onto the stage to animate on the stage. Seventh, click on Free Transform tool to fit the background on the stage. Eighth, right-click on the aeroplane and select the Convert to Symbol option. Ninth, type aeroplane in the name box. 10th, select Movie Clip from the Type drop-down list. 11th, click OK button. 12th, now right-click again on the aeroplane and select the Create Motion Tween option. 13th, drag the aeroplane across the stage to create a motion path for it to fly on. 14th, now click on Layer 1 to select it. 15th, click and drag from the first frame till the last. 16th, again drag the slider from the last frame to the starting point. 17th, now click on the play button to play the animation.